You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Thursday, July 13th. We've got a great show for you today. We're going to be talking about an IPO, robots. Seagate is getting hammered today, and we got a couple of more long shot stocks that we're going to be reviewing on today's show. So let's go ahead, let's jump right in. Continuing with our long shot series, the Greenbrier companies was suggested and floated my way. This is a very interesting one to take a look at. Could be a unique investment opportunity for sure. They build rail cars of all things, so let's pull them up. Pull up their website first here, so I can get an idea of them. Someone's got to do it, and they do it. They are one of 7 or 8, and I think they're one of the largest as far as rail car companies go, and they are all over the globe. So let's see here. I'll put a link to their standard investor relations and stuff like that. Let's go look at the statistics, and I'll tell you what I think of the stock. Not doing much right now. Flat on the day. Price to earnings. This was one of the things that caught my eye, and obviously the dividend. Not the biggest company in the world, $1 billion company. Certainly nothing to sneeze at. 2% dividend yield. Okay, so liking them so far. Fairly cheap valuation. 52-week change. They're up 33%. So again, could be a little bit late to the party on this one. Little slide in the growth. $400 million in cash, $500 million in debt, $60 million in leverage-free cash flow. All about evens up. I've seen worse balance sheets. Certainly, book value per share 34. So that's pretty good ratio there when the stock is $42. So Greenbrier Company, let's talk about them. Rail cars. Do we believe that the infrastructure is going to get upgraded and we're going to have high-speed railways, things like that? Do you buy into that or no? If you do, you're going to need companies with the experience to build them. And like it's under 10 companies, big companies that do this, and they're one of the largest. So they're like one of 5, one of 6, one of 7, somewhere around there. And they're one of the largest and one of the better ones as far as people looking at the quality and stuff. So here's a cheap stock under the radar that pays 2%, making rail cars, which could be ignored. It could be looked at a dying industry, and it could be an industry that gets revitalized. So what it comes down to is, are they going to be the people making these parts of these high-speed trains and stuff going out there, or is it someone else, one of these startups that's doing it? Do they have the capabilities, et cetera, et cetera? So this, again, is part of our long shot investing series. If you think they are, if you think that we are going to get this overhaul and revitalization with high-speed rail cars and stuff like that, and they're going to be on board with that, the infrastructure bill, so to speak, if that gets passed, are they going to get in on that? That's a company to buy. I think that would be a great investment. That would be a good catalyst to drive them forward. If they're going to die out and that industry is going to die out, probably not so much. So that's why I'm talking about kind of long shot investments. It's a little pricey. We're looking for kind of smaller long shot investments, but what the heck? It's cheap as far as price to earnings go. I may keep a closer look on this one. I don't know if I'll put it on my shopping list just yet. I'll do some more research on that. I'll put one of the long shots that we talk about this week will end up on my shopping list for sure. Don't know if it's going to be this one. We've had some real interesting ones. Some of them I can't invest in. I can't get into the Australian market, but a lot of cool ones out there. Appreciate everyone sending them in. Keep them coming my way. We'll do some more of them as the week ends here. But I'm going to wrap it up right now. That's it for today's show. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give us some feedback. We enjoy hearing from you, and we're trying to grow the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already so you get the latest investing news for gamers. Watch us live Monday through Friday, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.